Hello, animal lovers, and welcome back to the channel. We often think of ourselves humans as the pinnacle of intelligence on Earth. But what if I told you we share this planet with some truly brilliant minds covered in fur, feathers, and scales? From complex social structures to mind-bending problem-solving skills, the animal kingdom is bursting with genius. Today, we read diving deep into the animal world to count down the top 10 smartest animals on the planet. You'll be amazed by what these creatures are capable of, and trust me, number 1 will absolutely blow your mind. So get comfortable, and let's get started. Coming in at number 10, we have the clever and resourceful rat. Now, I know what you might be thinking, but put aside any preconceptions. Rats are incredibly intelligent. They possess what's known as metacognition, which is the ability to think about their own thoughts, a trait once believed to be unique to humans and some primates. In lab tests, rats have shown they can make decisions based on what they do or don't know. They are also exceptional navigators, capable of memorizing complex routes. Add to that their highly developed sense of smell and hearing, and you have a surprisingly sophisticated creature that has successfully adapted to environments all over the globe. They're not just survivors, they're strategists. At number 9, we find the pig. Don't let the phrase "eat like a pig" fool you. These animals are far from simple. In fact, studies have shown that pigs are smarter than dogs and can even outperform 3-year-old children on certain cognitive tests. They have excellent long-term memories, can solve mazes, and understand symbolic language. In one fascinating experiment, pigs learned to play a simple joystick-controlled video game. They can also recognize themselves in a mirror, demonstrating a level of self-awareness shared by only a handful of species. Pigs form complex social hierarchies and can learn from observing each other. So, next time you see a pig, remember there's a brilliant mind behind that snout. Flying into our number 8 spot is the crow. Crows, and their relatives in the corvid family like ravens and jays, are the Einsteins of the bird world. Their brain-to-body size ratio is comparable to that of great apes. What does this mean in practice? Well, crows are phenomenal problem solvers. They are famous for using tools, like bending wires to create hooks to fish out food from a tube. They can recognize human faces and have been known to hold grudges against people who have wronged them. Even more astonishing, they appear to understand physics. In one famous Aesop's fable-like experiment, a crow figured out it could drop stones into a pitcher of water to raise the water level and get a drink. They planned for the future, hiding food in multiple locations and remembering where they put it. Truly remarkable. Now let's head into the ocean for number 7, the octopus. With a large, complex brain in its head and mini-brains in each of its 8 arms, the octopus is an alien intelligence right here on Earth. These masters of camouflage are known for their incredible problem-solving abilities. They can navigate complex mazes, open jars from the inside and outside, and have even been observed using tools, like carrying coconut shells to use as a mobile shelter. Octopuses are notorious escape artists in aquariums, often figuring out how to dismantle plumbing or slip through the tiniest of gaps. They also have distinct personalities and have been known to play, squirting water at objects or people seemingly just for fun. An 8-armed genius of the deep. Swimming into number 6 is the African gray parrot. These birds aren't just mimics. They understand what they're saying. The most famous example is a parrot named Alex, who was studied by Dr. Irene Pepperberg. Alex could identify more than 50 different objects, 7 colors, 5 shapes, and quantities up to 6. He could even combine concepts. If you showed him a green key and asked, "What color?" he'd say green. If you asked, "What shape?" he'd say key. He even understood the concept of zero. This demonstrates a deep cognitive understanding of language, not just simple imitation. Their ability to reason and communicate makes them one of the most intellectually gifted birds on our list. At the halfway point, number 5, we have the majestic elephant. Elephants have the largest brain of any land animal, and they certainly know how to use it. They exhibit a wide range of complex behaviors, including empathy, grief, and cooperation. Elephant societies are intricate, and they communicate using a vast array of rumbles and trumpets, some of which are too low frequency for humans to even hear. They have incredible memories, capable of remembering specific locations for water and food over vast distances, and for many years. They can also recognize themselves in mirrors, a sign of high self-awareness. Furthermore, elephants use tools, such as using branches to swat flies or scratch themselves. Their emotional and social intelligence is truly profound. Breaking into the top 4, we have our closest living relatives, the great apes, specifically orangutans and chimpanzees. It's hard to separate these two as they both display incredible intelligence. Chimpanzees share about 98% of our DNA. They create and use tools, hunt in coordinated groups, and have complex social structures with shifting political alliances. They can learn sign language and communicate with humans. Orangutans, the thoughtful red apes of the forest, are also brilliant tool users and have shown the ability to plan ahead and calculate reciprocity in exchanges. Both species can solve complex puzzles and show a deep understanding of cause and effect. Their ability to think, reason, and feel makes them a clear choice for one of the smartest animals on the planet. Our bronze medalist at number 3 is the border collie. While many dog breeds are smart, border collies are in a league of their own when it comes to learning and understanding human language. They were originally bred for their intelligence and obedience in herding sheep, and that brainpower is astounding. A famous border collie named Chaser learned to identify over 1,000 different toys by name. She could also understand verbs and grammar, differentiating between take the ball to the frisbee and take the frisbee to the ball. This isn't just about training. It is about a deep cognitive ability to process and understand language in a way that is truly remarkable. They are a testament to the incredible potential of the canine mind. Swimming into the number 2 spot, we have the dolphin. Dolphins have large, complex brains with highly developed regions for communication and emotion. Their intelligence is often compared to that of great apes. They are incredibly social creatures, living in large pods where they hunt cooperatively, play, and even care for the sick or injured. Dolphins communicate using a complex system of clicks and whistles, and some scientists believe they have individual names in the form of signature whistles. They are creative problem solvers, and some populations have even developed unique tool-using cultures, like using sea sponges to protect their snouts while foraging on the seafloor. Their self-awareness, emotional depth, and complex communication easily earn them the silver medal on our list. And now, the moment you've all been waiting for. The number 1 smartest animal in the world, other than humans, is the bonobo. While often overshadowed by their more famous cousins, the chimpanzees, recent research suggests bonobos might be the most intelligent non-human primate. Like chimps, they share almost 99% of our DNA, but their intelligence manifests in a uniquely sophisticated way. Bonobos have demonstrated an incredible capacity for language, with some individuals, like the famous Kanzi, understanding thousands of spoken English words and complex sentence structures. They communicate using a keyboard of symbols or lexicograms and can even create tools spontaneously to solve a problem. But what truly sets them apart is their astounding social and emotional intelligence. Bonobo society is peaceful and egalitarian, led by females. They solve conflicts through social bonding rather than aggression. Their ability to understand complex language, use tools, and most importantly, navigate an incredibly complex social world with empathy and cooperation places them at the very top of our list. It challenges our own definition of intelligence, showing it's not just about problem solving, but also about social harmony. And there you have it, the 10 most intelligent animals on our incredible planet. From the strategic rat to the empathetic bonobo, it's clear that we are not alone when it comes to brain power. Which animal on this list surprised you the most? Let me know down in the comments below. I love reading your thoughts. If you enjoyed this journey into the animal mind, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel for more amazing content about the natural world. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.